Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 65 GTO. There's a 455 under the hood. It's got beautiful custom interior, beautiful paint job, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at the 455. We're gonna look at the interior. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your GTO investment. So come on up and we'll fire this thing up for you right now. All right, the paint and body on this car are sharp. Take a look at that beauty. I tell you what, the body work on it is phenomenal. The chrome looks great. Look at the grille. Look at all the bright work on it. The surrounds on the headlights look good. And take a look how that hood fits. Beautiful. It's nice and flush, and that paint is just as soft as can be. That door's fitting nice. The line looks nice and straight. All the stainless looks good. The rubber around the vent window looks good. The chrome on the vent window looks good. The stainless here on top looks good. Door handle looks great. It's got awesome looking seats in it. We got an aftermarket steering wheel in there. We got a great looking center console. We got the back seat matching the front seat. Even the package tray matches the upholstery on the seats. Headliner looks good, dash pad looks good. All of the wood grain there on the dash is looking good. The lenses on the gauges look great. 4-speed shifter in there. Paint on the dash here looks good. Down that big long quarter panel, looking sweet. Love the trim back here too. All the chrome's looking good and the blackout's looking good. The Pontiac emblem looks good. Chrome looks like it's brand new. Inside the trunk, they've done all the upholstery work in here, looking great. They've even matched the upholstery on the spare tire cover to the seats. Isn't that neat? Look at the paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid. It looks good. Got great looking paint in here also. I see part numbers here stamped in there. When you look down the side of the car, straight as can be. Beautiful bodywork on the car. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We take the time to check the cars out first, then we buy them. Right now we own about 230 muscle cars and street rods. And when we're bringing in cars, we're bringing in between 45 and 50 new vehicles every month. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars. So I'm gonna help you pick out your dream car. All right, it's GTO time. Sounding good, looking good, ready to go, guys. You wanna talk about fun? Go anywhere with this car and be proud of this. GTO, one of the first muscle cars out there. Pontiac built some badasses. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy shipping is, and Tom will take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't need to do anything but make a phone call. And if you want help with financing, we can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. We make it real easy on that end too. One quick phone call and this dream is in your driveway. It's going through the gears nice and smooth, steering nice. Look at that, going down the road nice and straight. 4-speed car, sounding good. Good throttle response, great looking car. Now, Take a look down here on the dash. Look how nice and clean everything is. All the chrome looks good, the woodwork looks good, the faces of the gauges look good. It looks like the speedo's working, looks like the tach's working. Great looking steering wheel, dash pad, everything. And just as easy as pie to drive. No problem whatsoever. Now we're right outside the Motor City, and we would love to have you come check out the car in person. If you have the time and the means, we're real close to the airport. It's only a quick trip from the airport. We'll actually come down to the airport and pick you up. If you'd like to drive in on a Saturday, we're here till 3 o'clock. Just let Tom know you're coming so we can make sure we've got your favorite car right up front. We do have 80,000 square feet of storage, and we've got about 230 cars in stock. So every now and then we gotta move a few cars to get your favorite one out. So give Tom a heads up, let him know you're coming. Now we spend a lot of time picking out these beauties. If you've got any additional questions, want some additional pictures, call Tom, he will take care of you. Now here's our building right here at 15100 Keel Street, and we're about to do something nobody else on the planet does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom is. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under the hood. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on this beautiful GTO. All right, we're underneath this beautiful GTO now, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see it's got a brand new tank, brand new exhaust. Bottom of the trunk floor looks good. The drop downs look good. We got a 12-bolt rear end here. It does have a posi in it, right around a 331 gear. It's got disc brakes has been added. We got the reinforced lower control arms. The bushings look like they're fairly new. Upper bushings also look like they're fairly new. And those upper control arms are also reinforced. Frame looks good. Back side of the rocker looks good. I always run my hand down the back side here when the cars are sitting on the ground. Look at that pinch weld. You can see the floorboards are original to the car, so the car was well kept throughout the years. It's got an electric fuel pump mounted right here to the frame. Frame is nicely painted. We got the Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's got an explosion-proof bell housing. It's got a stock appearing clutch that is a mechanical clutch. A high torque Summit starter there. We got disc brakes up front. Looks like the ball joints are new, top and bottom. Shocks look like they're fairly new. We got new brake line going side to side. Front frame horns are nice and straight. It's got a big sway bar on it. Bumper looks like it's brand new chrome, looking good. Inner wheel houses are nicely painted. Man, it's got some tire on it. You can turn some corners with this baby. It's got good looking aluminum polished up wheels here. These are 245/50 16s up front. Wheel house is nice and clean. Lip molding looks good. Rocker looks good. Always feel the back side of the front fender. All I feel is nice smooth metal, no patchwork there. You can see the bottom side of the rocker, that pinch weld, nice and clean. Everything looking good. Then out back, again, good looking wheel. I don't see a mark on it anywhere. And let's see if I can find the tire size. We got 265/60 16s out back. And you can see the paint work right down to the bottom edge, nice and clean. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this thing's got 455 power. It's got a 750 Harley on it. That's a dual feed. Looks like it's a dual pumper. It looks like it's mechanical secondaries. So when you put the hammer down, you got all 4 barrels. It's got a magneto style distributor in it. It's got the stock exhaust manifolds. Look at that firewall. Look how nicely it's painted. You can see the power booster and the master cylinder chromed up. Valve covers are polished aluminum. Air cleaner's polished. It's got an aluminum radiator that's all polished up. Alternator's polished up. It's got a chrome pulley on the power steering pump. Chrome pulley on the water pump. It looks like it's got chrome blades on the fan, and it even looks like the crank pulley is polished up. You can see the frame is nicely painted. Upper control arms are painted. I see brand new shims in there from the alignment. Everything about this car, I mean, this is, take this car to any show and be proud. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.